Ang. Ang is often translated as the. However, it doesn't always have an English translation. It is also commonly used to magnify a trait. So, let's first have these examples using ang to magnify traits. Ang init. It's so hot. Ang bagal. It's so slow. Ang hirap. It's so difficult. Ang dali nito. This is so easy. Ang sarap nito. This is so delicious. Ang ganda mo. You're very beautiful. Ang bait mo. You're very kind. Ang galing mo. You're so brilliant. Ang ingay mo. You're so noisy. In these examples, ang is added to magnify the characteristics. Ang as the. Ang bata. The child. Ang sasakyan. The car. Ang kusina. The kitchen. Ang may-ari. The owner. Naglalaro ang bata. The child is playing. Nasa lamesa ang libro. The book is on the table. Kunin mo ang lapis. Get the pencil. Ano ang rason? What's the reason? Sometimes, yung is used rather than ang. Yung is from iyon, which means that. Naglalaro yung bata. The child is playing. Nasa lamesa yung libro. The book is on the table. Kunin mo yung lapis. Get the pencil. Ano yung rason? What's the reason? You should also take note that ang doesn't always have an English translation. In Filipino sentences, ang comes before the main topic. Natutulog ang aso ko. My dog is sleeping. Ang aso ko, my dog, is sleeping. Nagbabasa ang ate ko. My older sister is reading. Ang ate ko, my older sister. Nawawala ang bag niya. Her bag is missing. Her bag, ang bag niya. Nasa akin ang pera mo. I have your money. Ang pera mo. Your money. Sinasayang mo ang oras ko. You're wasting my time. My time? Ang oras ko. Kumusta ang araw mo? How was your day? Ang araw mo? Your day. Nakalimutan mo ang payong mo. You forgot your umbrella. Ang payong mo? Your umbrella. Other examples. Ano ang gagawin mo? What will you do? In the Filipino sentence, there's ang but there's no equivalent the in the English translation. For this, we'll reconstruct both sentences. Take note that these reconstructed phrases are not really used in conversations since it's kind of redundant. Ano ang gagawin mo? Or, ano ang aktibidad na gagawin mo? What will you do? Or, what's the activity you'll do? Ang aktibidad, the activity. Aktibidad or activity is the main topic of the sentence. And you have to remember that the word the or ang comes before the main topic of the sentence. Another example. Ano ang gagawin mo mamaya? What will you do later? Again, let's reconstruct the sentences. Ano ang gagawin mo mamaya? Or, ano ang aktibidad na gagawin mo mamaya? What will you do later? Or, what's the activity you'll do later? Ano ang pinapanood mo? What are you watching? Ano ang pinapanood mo? Or, ano ang palabas na pinapanood mo? What are you watching? What's the show you are watching? Ang palabas. The show. Nakalimutan ko ang sinabi mo. I forgot what you said. Nakalimutan ko ang mga salitang sinabi mo. I forgot the words you said. Ang lahat ay handa na. Everyone is ready. Ang lahat ng tao ay handa na. All the people are ready. Ano ang nangyari? What happened? Or, ano ang pangyayari na nangyari? What is the incident? Other examples. Ikaw ba ang nagbigay nito? Were you the one who gave this? Ako ang magbibigay nito. I will be the one to give this. Ako lang ang nandito. I'm the only one here. Ako ang nanalo. I was the one who won. Ikaw ang nagsabi niyan. You were the one who said that. Ako na ang gagawa. I'll be the one to do it. That's all, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and like my videos.